Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project video. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project, Hector SLAM mapping, an indoor positioning robot with ROS and LiDAR, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. Let us take a look at how it works. You can develop this interesting project by following the simple steps provided in one of the blogs on electronicsforyou.com. Kindly find the link in the description of this video. This project helps you to develop a low-cost system for creating real-time maps of indoor environments. The objective of this project is to help cleaning robots, autonomous robots, and vehicles to operate without collisions and navigate by avoiding any obstacles. To develop this project, we have to install Hector SLAM and Robot Operating Software, ROS. After preparing the ROS environment, install the drivers and SDK of LiDAR. The components used to develop this project are a Raspberry Pi 4 board over which the system will run, a robot chassis to create a robot body, a wide LiDAR to scan the environment for obstacles, a power bank or 5-volt battery to power up the system. Let us see the demonstration of this project. First, connect LiDAR to the Raspberry Pi 4. The LiDAR is rotating and scanning the environment. You can see the values of LiDAR coming to the ROS environment. Now launch Hector SLAM for mapping. Simultaneous localization has started. It has started creating the map. Now whenever the robot moves and wherever it goes, Hector SLAM will create the map accordingly. This system can be fitted on a robot or an autonomous car to create a map and save it for future use. Interested in developing your own Hector SLAM mapping and indoor positioning robot with ROS? Kindly click on the link provided in the description of this video to get a complete circuit diagram and a detailed explanation of the project. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.